This is the BEABA Babycook baby food cooker slash processor. It's basically an all-in-one unit for making baby food. Super simple to use. There's really only two functions to it. Basically filling this up with water, which creates steam that then cooks the food inside of this stainless steel container here. And then once that's cooked, it'll turn off. And then you dump the food back in and hit the process button. Super simple. This thing is really cool. It doesn't take up a lot of space on your countertop, so it's not a big appliance by any means. It is available in a couple different colors. There's this color here, which is like an earthy green tone. There's also one that's almost all entirely this color, white, almost black, and then like a gray, I believe. Lots of different options there, but it's super simple to use. There's only a couple functions. This is easy. It's got a lock button, so it indicates when it's locked and unlocked, but this is where you add in the water. There's a little gauge. I'm not sure if you can see in there. It tells you what 1, 2, and 3, how much water to put in and then what the max is. Return the lid, lock it in place. On this side where the food goes, it's really easy to kind of tilt this top to the side here and it removes the lid. And this is where you add the food. So you put sweet potatoes, regular potatoes, carrots, beets, whatever you're going to put in this side to make the baby food. Add it back, add the food chunks in there, slide the top back on, and hit the steam cook button here. That will turn on the function of steam cooking the food inside of the stainless steel container. It'll only run as long and turn off automatically based on how much water was added in here. When it's finished cooking, all you do is remove the entire canister off, which is a quick turn like this. Pull this out, take your food out, dump off any remaining water that was in there, save it off in case you need to re-add it back in. Once the water is drained off, you then drop the food back into the container for food processing. You have to add this piece in here, return it back to the base, lock it in, return the lid on, and it's ready to go for processing. Just an on and off button right here to process the food as much as you want. Simple as that. What we love about it is you're able to make baby food at home in the consistency that you want. You know exactly the ingredients you're putting in your food and giving your child. These things are great.